Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a GLK250. Also we did our OEM fit running boards for it too. It's a Bluetech. That's where we put the camera. So the unit before it came with a small screen. It's a 2014. We replaced it to our 10.25 inch screen. We can still use the knob controlling the aftermarket menu. Also we can go back to factory menu and control everything same as before by touching the screen. It goes to the aftermarket mode. And when I go to reverse, it goes to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. And it reads the dashboard, the RPM and the speed. Also lights are on, door is open, door closed. And here we have apps that it's installed on the unit, like Google Maps and other stuff. Also we can go to the media and play video. We can play full screen video.
Here.
If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.